Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language in the Trandyol app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the account menu, then tap on select language, and here we have two available languages. One is English, as you can see, and one is based on the country that you set the deliver to. So for example, if we switch to Italy and tap on account, and then we try to change the language, it's not available. It's just English. But in Romania, you can change it to Romanian as well. So it depends on your country, but some have their language available in the app, but some don't. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.